Creativity isn't just for humans. Now, computers can be creative too. Artificial intelligence-generated artwork has captured the imagination of the creative industry. Artists, musicians, writers, collectors, and many more are turning their eyes and attention to this new technology. But, what is artificial intelligence art? Generally speaking, artificial intelligence refers to the capability of digital computers or robotic devices to think and make decisions compared to human intelligence. This term refers to projects aiming to develop systems with human-like attributes, such as absorbing information, understanding meaning, making generalizations, and learning from past experiences. In arts, the correct term to describe this process is called generative AI art. Because as today, the applications used to create art have only some of the necessary attributes to make them as intelligent or creative as humans. In reality, what these applications do instead is use algorithms to generate images by accessing a vast database of content, styles, and designs, and combine them by following text commands defined by users to create new art. Systems like dall-e, Mid-Journey, Dream AI, and Stable Diffusion have become increasingly popular, demonstrating the potential of AI art and how easy it is for anyone to create outstanding images. All you have to do is write what you want to see, and it generates art in a blink of an eye. AI-generated art usually refers to either neural style transfer or generative adversarial networks. Neural style transfer is an algorithm that applies the style of one or more existing images to an input image. So for example, the user has to choose an input image, let's say, a picture of the Golden Gate, and a style image, for example, The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. The final result is a mix of the first image and the second image's style. Their output, however, was not truly AI-generated art, since the user had to choose already existing images. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, are the closest to human artists in artificial intelligence. GANs tend to produce images that are very similar to existing art styles. This is also the technology used in most AI-generated art systems. The algorithm learns about style and content separately, allowing it to interpolate between different styles, and mix them with content to generate new original images from scratch. This type of AI requires training two separate neural networks, the critic and the generator. The critic analyzes human art in various historical styles, based on an extensive database. The generator, which has never seen art before, receives a random prompt as input, and starts generating an image. Based on its knowledge, the critic algorithm determines whether the generated image looks like the real art created by humans. AI-generated art is an exciting new field that is sure to continue to evolve in the future. For more design and Photoshop tips and trends, please like and subscribe. Thank you.